Hey guys, so today we will be implementing linear regression using Python. So what we will be doing today is we will be satisfying the linear equation, that is h of xi equals to beta zeroth plus beta 1, sorry, yeah, 1 of xi. So this will be the equation which we will be satisfying today by using Python linear programming. So basically the thing is what you will be required for building this whole project is you need two libraries. One is numpy and another is matplotlib. So you can easily download it from many of the tutorial available on the net. So first I will be importing all the required files. One is numpy as np, sorry, np, oops, again, and the another is matplotlib dot py, what we can say, pylot s, let's say plt. Okay, now first we will make the define the main function. Now first we will be needing 2 points, that are x and y, for which we will be designing the linear line. So all basically the output of this program will be the graph. So basically it is all the visualization process. So let's just define x equals to np dot, sorry, array. Let's take the sample 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 and y. Just randomly 1 comma 3 comma 2 comma 5, yeah, 4 comma 5 comma, let's take 7 7, sorry, 8 comma 9 9 9 comma 9. So let's take this all sample. Now what we have to do is we have to make a coefficient function which will be defined as b equals to, let's say, estimate, sorry, coefficient, and for which, for what points, x comma, sorry, x comma y points. Then we have to print estimated new line for b, what we can say, and for new line b1, for which we will be doing. Okay, now format, what we have to print is these 2 points. Okay, so let's say it are, that's b0 comma, and the another which we have to do is like b1. Okay, all set. And then another, this now this all will be by this estimate coefficient we will be getting coefficients, and now we will be making a function for plot regression line. Okay, so let's say plot regression line. Now first we will be defining the estimate coefficient function. So let's just copy this. We are passing x comma y. So we are calculating the mean for x and y respectively. Now we have to calculate cross deviation and deviation about x. So for that what we have to do is let us tell as now calculating regression coefficient. For that, what are the regression coefficient were beta 0 and beta 1. So we will be calculating the both. First beta 1 will be x. Let's just type me this by. So here we'll be returning the estimated coefficient. Sorry. So here we finished the calculation part of this, and now we will be plotting the regression line. Sorry. So for that, let's just copy the function name. So first the actual points plot and then now predicting response vector. So for that, let's say just y predicted. So this is the basically our equation for the linear regression. Now again we will be plotting. Now plot for x comma y predicted, and for which color you want to, let's say green. Now let's put on the label. For x, so we will be typing x label, which will be named as, sorry, and then for y label we will be naming it y. Then we will be showing our graph. So yeah, we have done finishing. Now let's compile the code. Okay, so here we are getting an error at line 7. What's the error? Okay, yeah, correct. Here and here also. Now let's compile it again. Oops, again, what is saying? Okay, it's saying that okay. Okay, here was my mistake, sorry.